Hey everyone, welcome back to the Trip Window. When planning a trip, it's easy to focus on flights and activities, but your hotel room choice holds the power to define your journey. It's more than a place to sleep. It's your home base and sanctuary. The right room provides comfort and a space to recharge, while the wrong one can lead to stress, sleepless nights, and wasted vacation time. Getting this right is one of the most effective ways to improve your overall travel experience. In this video, we'll provide a practical guide to selecting a room that aligns with your needs, budget, and travel style, ensuring your accommodation is a highlight, not a headache. First, define your non-negotiables before you search. For a business trip, this might be fast Wi-Fi and a desk. For a family vacation, a pool, and free breakfast. With your priorities set, use booking sites to compare options. Critically, filter reviews to see only those from the last 6 months. Search for keywords like noise, cleanliness, or water pressure. And always prioritize photos from fellow travelers over the hotel's professional shots. They reveal the room's true condition and size, without the flattering wide-angle lenses used in official marketing. Next, consider the room's location, the hotel. Higher floors often mean better views and less street noise, while lower floors offer quicker access to exits. Be mindful of internal noise sources like elevators, ice machines, and housekeeping closets. When booking, you can add a request for a quiet room. For more peace, ask if a corner room is available, as they often have more windows and share fewer walls with neighbors. Also, note the proximity to the nearest fire exit for safety awareness. Amenities are crucial, so verify the specifics. For Wi-Fi, check recent reviews for its speed and reliability. Are there enough electrical outlets near the bed and desk? For comfort, confirm individual climate control and true blackout curtains. Also, check convenience items. Is the mini fridge empty for your use, or a stocked minibar? Is there an in-room safe large enough for a laptop? These small details directly impact your daily routine and peace of mind. The quality of your sleep dictates your trip's success. A comfortable bed is non-negotiable. When you check in, quickly test the mattress. If it's sagging or uncomfortable, request a room change immediately. Check for light leakage from the hallway under the door. A rolled-up towel is a simple fix. If you're a light sleeper, even after requesting a quiet room away from elevators, it's wise to pack earplugs or use a white noise app as a backup. Resist the urge to simply sort by price. True value isn't the lowest nightly rate. Calculate the total cost. A cheaper hotel that charges extra for Wi-Fi, parking, or breakfast can end up being more expensive. Also, factor in the hidden cost of location. A budget hotel far from the city center might cost you more in taxi fares and wasted time than a pricier centrally located one. Your time has value, so factor it into the equation. When reading guest reviews, look for patterns. A single bad review is an outlier, but if multiple guests complain about the same issue, like weak water pressure, it's a red flag. Always check the dates. A review from last week is more relevant than one from 2 years ago. Also, see how management responds to negative feedback. A thoughtful, problem-solving response is a good sign. A generic or defensive reply is not. If you have special requests, be proactive. Use the special requests field during booking, then follow up with a direct call to the hotel a few days before arrival. Be specific. Instead of quiet room, ask for a room on a high floor away from the elevator. For accessibility, detail your exact needs, like a roll-in shower. While requests aren't guaranteed, clear early communication dramatically increases the chances they'll be met. In this series, we'll guide you through every key factor in choosing the best hotel room. We'll teach you how to decode room types, leverage loyalty programs for upgrades, and provide checklists for what to inspect upon arrival. With this strategic planning, you can avoid common mistakes and ensure your stay is comfortable, safe, and enjoyable. Our goal is to arm you with the knowledge to make your next hotel stay a highlight of your travels. Let's dive in and unlock the secrets to booking the perfect room. When choosing a hotel room, start by deciding which floor suits your needs. Higher floors usually offer better views and less street noise, but may require longer elevator waits. Lower floors are more convenient for quick access. For a good balance of quiet and convenience, consider a mid-level floor. If you want a quiet stay, request a room away from elevators, ice machines, and busy common areas like the pool. Rooms at the end of the hallway are often quieter with less foot traffic. You can also ask for a room that doesn't have a connecting door to its neighbor, as these can be less soundproof. Corner rooms often provide more space and extra windows. A key benefit is having fewer shared walls, which can reduce noise from neighbors. If you want a brighter, larger room, Ask about corner options when booking or at check-in. It's a simple request that can lead to a more comfortable stay. For families or groups, connecting rooms are a practical choice. These rooms have a private door between them, giving you both privacy and easy access. Be sure to request this feature specifically when booking, as they are limited and get reserved quickly. This ensures your group can stay together. If you need accessibility, request a room near the elevator or on a lower floor. For specific requirements, call the hotel to confirm features like roll-in showers or grab bars. This is helpful for travelers with mobility needs, families with strollers, or anyone carrying heavy luggage who appreciates the convenience. Always check the room's amenities before booking. Look for reliable Wi-Fi and confirm if it's free. Also check for a usable mini fridge, blackout curtains, a safe, and enough outlets for your devices. Verifying these small details beforehand can prevent frustration during your stay. For the best sleep, choose a room with a comfortable bed and good curtains. Check recent reviews for guest feedback on this. If you're a light sleeper, reiterate your need for a quiet room away from elevators, ice machines, or service areas. This simple step helps ensure a restful night. If a great view matters, ask for a room with a city, ocean, or landmark view. Be specific when booking. Keep in mind that rooms with premium views often cost more, so decide if it's a worthwhile splurge. Politely asking for a better view at check-in can sometimes yield a free upgrade. Ground floor rooms offer easy access to the pool or garden, which is great for families or guests with pets. Just be aware of possible noise and privacy trade-offs. For security, always ensure any ground-level windows or patio doors are securely locked when you are out or sleeping. Before booking, read recent guest reviews for your chosen room type. Look for comments about cleanliness, noise, and service. Pay special attention to guest-submitted photos, as they provide a more realistic look at the room than the hotel's professional shots. This quick research helps avoid surprises. If you have special requests like a late check-in, extra pillows, or a crib, contact the hotel directly after booking. A quick follow-up call a few days before your arrival helps ensure your needs are on their radar and can be met. Clear communication is key to a smooth check-in. By understanding your priorities and asking the right questions, you can choose a hotel room that fits your needs, budget, and travel style. Taking these extra steps in the planning process is the key to ensuring your accommodation enhances your trip, rather than detracts from it. When considering a hotel upgrade, start with suites. A suite offers the invaluable commodity of space with a separate living area for comfort and practicality. This is ideal for families needing a play area, or for business travelers needing to work. For maximum utility, confirm the suite has a physical door separating the bedroom from the living space, ensuring true privacy and a quieter environment. Not all suites are equal. A junior suite is one large room with a sitting area, while a true suite has physically separate rooms. Photos can be deceiving, so look for a floor plan or square footage on the hotel's website. If you're unsure, call the hotel and ask a simple question. Does the bedroom have a door that closes? This clarifies exactly what you're booking. The right amenities transform a suite into a functional home base. For families, look for a sofa bed, a dining table, and multiple closets for storage. A kitchenette with a mini fridge and microwave can significantly cut down on food costs. For business travelers, a proper work desk with an ergonomic chair and accessible power outlets is key. Some larger suites even offer a second bathroom, a huge perk for any group. Upgraded rooms often feature luxurious bathrooms. Look for desirable features like double sinks, a deep soaking tub separate from the shower, and a rainfall shower head. Premium toiletries from well-known brands are a common perk. For ultimate comfort, some high-end properties even offer heated floors or steam showers, adding a significant touch of indulgence to your stay. If you're celebrating a special occasion, let the hotel know. Use the special requests box during online booking to mention your anniversary or birthday. For a better result, call the hotel a week in advance. They may offer complimentary perks like a bottle of wine, a dessert, or a room with a superior view. Hotels want to make your celebration memorable, but you often have to give them the opportunity. Consider an upgrade to a club-level room. The key benefit is access to a private lounge. These exclusive spaces typically provide complimentary breakfast, all-day snacks, and evening hors d'oeuvres with alcoholic beverages. Other common perks include a dedicated check-in area, a private concierge, access to business publications, and sometimes complimentary services like garment pressing, making your entire stay smoother. To determine if the club level is worth it, do some quick math. Estimate what you would spend daily on breakfast, coffee, and evening drinks for your party, especially in expensive cities. This can easily exceed $100 for two people. If the club upgrade costs less, it's a financial win. Also consider the intangible value, the convenience of a quiet space to work or relax, and the time saved by not leaving the hotel for every meal. Your room's location within the hotel is crucial. For a quieter stay, request a room on a higher floor, away from noise sources like elevators, ice machines, and service areas. Also consider the sun's path. In hot climates, an east-facing room will be cooler in the afternoon. In cold climates, a south-facing room will be warmer. You can request a specific location when booking or at check-in to best suit your needs. A room with a view can be the most rewarding upgrade, but you must understand the terminology. Oceanfront means you are directly facing the ocean. Ocean view means you can see it, but perhaps from an angle. Other terms like city view or garden view are more straightforward. Always read the room description carefully. A private balcony is also a huge plus, offering a personal space to enjoy the scenery. If a view is important, it's often worth the extra cost. Ground floor rooms have distinct advantages. They offer easy access without elevators, perfect for guests with mobility needs, families with strollers, or those with heavy gear. Some walkout rooms open directly onto a patio near the pool or garden. The trade-offs are potentially more noise and less privacy. If you opt for a ground floor room, always ensure the windows and patio doors have secure functioning locks. If you require an accessible room, proactive communication is key. Don't rely on website filters. Call the hotel directly to confirm specific features. Ask detailed questions. Does the room have a roll-in shower or a tub with grab bars? What is the height of the bed? Are there visual alarms? Confirming these details beforehand ensures the room will meet your needs and prevent stressful situations upon arrival. Always consider safety when selecting a room. Many experts advise against ground floor rooms or those with easily accessible balconies. Request a room away from isolated ends of hallways. If your room has an adjoining door, double-check that it's securely locked from your side. The first thing you should do upon entering your room, before you unpack, is test the deadbolt and security latch on the main door. These simple habits provide crucial peace of mind. Start by listing your top priorities for your hotel room, such as location, price, amenities, or room type. Knowing what matters most will help you narrow down your options quickly. Use booking websites to compare hotels, read recent guest reviews, and look at real photos of rooms. Don't rely only on official hotel images. Check the room's features: bed type, size, Wi-Fi, air conditioning, blackout curtains, and outlets. Confirm these details before booking to avoid surprises. Consider your travel group. Are you solo, with a partner, or with kids? Choose a room that fits your group's needs for space and privacy. Before booking, balance your budget with the features you value most. Sometimes paying a little more for a better room can make your stay much more comfortable. If you have special requests, like a quiet room, late check-in, or extra pillows, contact the hotel directly after booking to confirm your needs. A thoughtful hotel room choice can make your trip smoother, more restful, and more enjoyable. Take a few extra minutes to plan, and you'll set yourself up for a great stay.